What's love got to do with it?
I don't think that's a Valentine's Day song.
And a Valentine's Day?
No, that's not a Valentine's
Well, speaking
Day.
of love, in the truest sense, celebrating Valentine's Day, we're jumping right into the heart of our first guest, well, our second guest for the show. They have captured hearts right across social media. Now, TJ and Moya, they are in the house, so let's welcome them to the set of Daytime Live. TJ and Moya!
You have to walk down the aisle. That's it. Take a slow walk down the aisle of rose petals. That's right. Woo! Very good, TJ. Very good. You are a good guy. Welcome to Daytime Live.
Thank you for having us.
Dearly beloved, so why not sit down so far?
No, we're close up, man.
Oh my. Okay, so it's good to have you. So we'll jump right into it.
Thanks for having us.
Just in case you're unfamiliar, TJ and Moya, they're actually social media influencers and they are a legitimate couple online and offline.
Right.
So we're going to get into the thing a little bit. So we want to go, beyond what we see on the screen and really get to know the TJ and Moya connection and relationship. So who are you guys when the cameras are off? What kind of couple are you?
To be honest, the same. Like, what you see is what you get. We respect each other. We love each other. We look out for each other.
Yeah, that's a regular couple.
Yeah, that's a regular couple. Yeah.
Jamaica, me first.
Yes. Go right ahead.
All right.
What's my record though? How long have you guys been together?
3 years.
Yeah.
3 years? I always like, it's when you ask a couple and the man answers solidly and the woman nods, you can know, say, him actually care.
Right.
Oftentimes the man says 7 years and she says, no.
9. Okay, so 3 years. Continue.
3 years, all right. So who made the first move?
He did.
Me?
How did he make the first?
What's her face?
What do you mean?
He has a different version. How did he make the first move?
More
We
your
have a
version.
different version. Okay, so at the time, I was in and out of different jobs, and I was actually doing bucket service, which is basically your waitress at a party or an event.
Right.
And he had selected me from a group of other girls to work at his event because he's a promoter as well. Yeah. So I went to work. I was very focused on work. I wasn't interested in anything, but you know how things goes. And he
Yes,
initiated
emphasis.
right. But at first, I wasn't interested because honestly, I didn't want to come off as, okay, I'm dating a promoter, because that will kind of give you a bad reputation.
Right.
So we were friends, good friends for a very long time, until after he encouraged me to stop doing bucket service and try other things, because he was like, oh, you're too educated to be doing this,
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah. And then that's when we started dating after.
TJ, I saw it go.
Okay, so my version is...
TJ, me and you are Reese.
Reese, man to man.
Well, and how the real story go?
The real story is, the first part, right, I'm a promoter and I was looking for some girls to do the back of service,
That's
to serve.
the part, right?
That's the part,
That is
right.
it. After that, it make a
I chose her because, she looked nice and thing, but on the first day when she came, she was like, what? You know that look there?
No.
Just not looking at eye to eye contact, like, that dark guy look nice still. And I was look, and I say, yo, she look nice too. And
what's her?
What?
but honestly, she kept it professional.
Right.
Both of us, we kept it professional, like she said. And then, we became great friends and we talked to each other and realized that we always inspire each other.
Right.
So from that connection, everything just took place, fall in place. Yeah.
Yep.
That's important, that kind of inspiration to
Right.
have for each other as a couple, which brings me to that. I'm supposing that continues in the relationship because you're now both on social media.
Right.
How has that type of inspiration changed? How has it elevated? How has it kind of transitioned now that you're together?
Well, it's only gotten better. We're here today on
Right,
TVJ.
That is
it. But we continue to motivate each other because we don't only do social media. He encouraged me to start businesses and stuff like that. So we go on ventures together, we do business together, we do deals together. So it's just motivation and growth.
Right.
But what's your vibe though? I mean, is it a kind of playful vibe, or you guys are competitive, or playing tricks?
A little bit of both, I would say. A little bit of both.
We push each other.
Yeah, but normally we're on the same page though, so that's what keeps us going.
Yeah, we have the same mindset.
Same drive.
Same drive?
Yeah.
That you tell us, eh?
No, man. I really think,
No,
man.
it's the truth. It is.
Because that's how everything started, because you know, it was based on like motivation. Because when I found out that she had 16 subjects, I was like, then why you do back a service?
How much subject?
16.
How much school she go?
How much time?
Yeah, she actually smart. So I was like, no man, you probably can do more than this. And she was like, yeah, but through work hard to get on the whole yard. So I was like, all right then. And then she inspired me because at one point I was thinking about giving up with the whole promotion thing. Right? And she was like, no, you do good man. And because during one of the time was during COVID. And yeah, so you know things kind of slowed down. So I was kind of frustrated. And she was like, no man, still do your thing man. And you know, things fall in place, like I said, because we have the same drive, we motivate each other. So it just kept us going.
All right, so if you have the same drive and you motivate each other, because we want to keep it real, because people have to know that relationships go through challenges.
Right.
Yeah,
You're
ups
going to
and
have
downs.
disagreements,
Definitely.
but it's about how you handle it.
Right,
So when
right.
it comes to your type of relationship, you're keeping each other motivated, keeping each other inspired, but then you have a disagreement. How do you, as a couple, manage your disagreements?
Of course.
What kind? Oh, cause describe it and then how you resolve it. Yes,
What's your
Maya, go on, Maya, want to flick the hair.
Yes. Because as I think typical females, I keep the grudge, you know? When I say grudge, I mean, like, if I'm mad, I'm mad. But him know, like 5 minutes after, he's like, okay, so you want to eat? Or it's like, you come, I'm like, hello?
I always start with that, you know, food is
fix
the
everything.
key. The key, man.
I'm like, hello, we just argued, you know? But what we find that works is, one, keeping our business off
Social media.
Social media. So if we're arguing, nobody knows. Like,
Right.
we can be battling on TikTok and we just had an argument and nobody knows.
Right.
You know, two, discussing it. Like, instead of just pretending like it didn't happen or feeling like you're always right, we learn to communicate and respect each other through the communication and try to resolve it.
Right.
Love it.
And we also like take time out to like, you know, to see, you know, because sometimes you need to self-reflect to see where
you went
where
wrong
right.
together.
And I apologize.
So, before we jump into something else, just tell us really quickly social media handles, because I mean, after this, other people are going to be interested to follow you.
Definitely.
Maya Slays on everything: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram.
Maya Slays, SLAYS.
Right.
And it's TJ Tug Life on everything.
Tug like, no
Maya-
underscore another day.
So
TJ
Maya Slays, TJ Tug Life.
TJ
No
Tug
underscore
Life.
for me. Yeah,
TJ
TJ
Tug Life.
underscore
Yeah,
Tug
TJ
Life.
underscore Tug Life. Right,
Okay,
right.
all right.
Is that a real relationship? This is a you
Yeah,
left
man.
machine.
Right? So married and things. So
Definitely.
speak it into being with the
Right.
rose petal walk. All right, so before we go to the break, we promised you, today it's all about giveaways. We're gifting with love. So Dufton, I want you to do this one.
So this giveaway comes to us from Pure Chocolate Jamaican. They're based in St. Anne, and they sent us some of the signature flavors to give away to a lucky winner that can tell us what are the 5 love languages.
I know them. Can
1,
can
2, 3,
anyone?
4, 5 love. We don't understand for languages.
So it has to be an audience member. So we're going to go to the break. We're going to have them. You cannot go on your phone. Do not research it. Put
No
them down.
Google.
Right?
Mr. Henry,
And no ChatGPT. The winner is going to be announced after the break. So we're going to take a quick break, let them think about it. And then when we come back, we put them on the spot. Daytime Live will be right back after this.
The 5 of them?
Yeah.